Hey guys, what's up? It's Kiara here. This is going to be my move out vlog. Really gonna take place over many days because my move out schedule is really crazy this year. Basically, I have to move out this Sunday because I have a final on Friday, and that's like the day that everyone has to leave the sorority house. I'm not gonna have enough time to just like pack everything up right after my final, and my dad's going out of town, so we decided the best plan of action is to probably do it this weekend. Are you coming into my vlog? I'm vlogging. Hello! I have to move out so that Taylor and I can move in to our apartment next year.
It's
obviously
very bittersweet.
It's honestly very sad. I have to start packing because I have so much to do this week, and I have to organize everything.
Are you packing right now?
No, I'm going to Dollar Tree because I need to get like these little bins to put stuff in.
Hey.
Yeah, cool. This is gonna be us all next year. You're gonna walk into my vlog. Bye, T1. Ladies and gents, we've made it to Dollar Tree. Okay, these might be the only ones they have, which literally means there's only one. This is what I need, but I want more than one. I don't know why, but I had this weird feeling that this was gonna happen to me, that they wouldn't have what I need, and that I was gonna end up having to go to Target, which is a really dangerous place for me, and that's what's happening, so let's go. So that was a major fail. We're gonna map ourselves to Target, and I'm pretty sure it's really close. Honestly, maybe my subconscious like planned ahead for this to happen. 4-minute drive. This is gonna be fantastic. We're gonna get the bins and organizational things I need.
Starting route to Target. Head west on West 11th Avenue.
Let's get started. All right, ladies and gents, we have teleported ourselves to Target. It feels really sad to be here without Katie because we always come to Target together. Guys, they have so many clearance signs up right now, and I am just getting so tempted to get stuff that I didn't come here for. Oh, baby, this is what I like to see. Okay, maybe I should have gotten a cart. We're gonna get this item. We're gonna get this nice big one. Taylor and I have 2 sinks in our apartment next year because we have a bathroom with a sink in it, and then my bedroom has a sink in it. So we kind of have like a lot of sink stuff to get. The problem is I've been shopping for all of this stuff while I'm in Eugene, which is dumb because I'm gonna have to move it out, but we're gonna get the deals, you know what I mean? Taylor likes silver things. I might have to FaceTime her. Can you see it? So it's plastic, but it doesn't like look plasticky. It's $6. Do you like any of them, or like nah? Yeah, you do? Or like, yeah, we should get it? Sounds good. Bye, T1. Bye, Kiara. We've made it to the bin aisle, as you can see. We're gonna get 4 of these. 4 lids. That is a mission accomplished for tonight. Now I'm probably gonna go home, finish doing all my studying. I just need to get the process started so I feel like I'm not so overwhelmed. But that's what moving out is like. You're just kind of like, wow, it's about to be a lot. So hopefully my organization can ease the stress of this process. I'll see you when I see you. Hey guys, what is up? It is much later in the week. It's actually Friday. Today was actually my last day of school, so I finished off my sophomore year, went to my 1 class. But basically I have 2 hours until I need to be at Hayward Field. I'm taking pictures for the NCAA track championship, so I just have like a random block of time to kill, and I thought I would get started packing. I've got my bins, I've got everything, and I also have some major problem areas in my room that need to be fixed. I think I'm gonna get started with this area because these bins are highly disorganized. We are gonna get started. I'm gonna do a time lapse.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. Still, I'm not sure if you told lies. But I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow.
Okay, so progress has been made. I'm still going through all of my bins in my desk just so I can like put everything away. I'm separating like all of my little like sentimental photo strip from straight trash. All these things have a place in my room, so I'm trying to like put everything away, start out with, and then I can actually like pack the boxes and bins when I need to. It's trash time. Let's do this. Ta-da! I've officially gone through almost everything and thrown out the stuff I don't want. All right, that is all I'm going to be doing for the rest of the night. I have a really busy day scheduled, so I will see you guys tomorrow and on Sunday when I'm like really hardcore packing up. Hello guys, and we are getting started packing. I'm here with Maddie. She's embarrassed because she thinks her room's messy, but it's not messy. It's super messy. We're in the midst of packing. It doesn't matter. So we're all packing together and we're listening to music. We're doing throwbacks on the computer right now. But we're just gonna get started because tomorrow he's coming to pick me up and I haven't gotten like really in-depthly packed. I've just organized everything. But I'm just trying to procrastinate the packing process because I don't want to leave. You know what I mean?
I love the nighttime because it rains every day. I know you're not fine when you say you're okay. So follow me and we'll find something more than this light. 'Cause I love the nighttime. I love the nighttime. I love the nighttime. I love the nighttime.
Really late right now. I think it's like 12:30. My friends and I went out to go see Adrift, which was a really good movie, but it honestly like made us really sad. This is officially my last night in this bedroom with it all looking like this because my last night will be Thursday night, but I'm moving everything out tomorrow. Kind of bittersweet. It already looks different. My desk is all empty now and I've packed that box and that box. I feel like I always get attached to the rooms I live in. I just have to make next year's room even cuter. Anyway, that's all for tonight, guys. I'll see you tomorrow on official move out day. I literally said that exact line in my last video. Hey guys, what's up? It's move out day. My dad is gonna be here any minute and we are getting started to move out of this room. And then I also am gonna be driving home with my dad to Portland because I'm picking up a dresser for my apartment, so my car's gonna be packed and I need to like drop everything off so that I have space to bring home, like my bedding and other little knick-knack things that I'll have here. My dad's literally gonna pull up and sure enough, there is my father there with the big blue truck and he just went in the wrong driveway. This is what fathers are for, to help you put away your decorations. Thanks, Dad.
To hold. Silence is everywhere, and you're not. And now I'm running like there's no tomorrow. My life was on a one-way track. This ain't a story about happy ending. Oh, I could set this world on fire. I could tear this town apart. I tried, but I could never be a part of you and your beautiful life.
The decor bin is packed. It already looks sad. Ugh. I can't tell if I recorded this, so I'm just gonna re-record that Katie came to visit me. I can't tell if I recorded. Hello, okay. I just did this. Guys, this is a really sad day for me. Saying goodbye to this room. We hang out in here all the time. I don't know what we're gonna do. This is like my home. This room has been a good one. A good one. Rest in peace room. Your room's gonna look so cute though. My room, just wait. I will show you her room. It'll be in the sorority house. I know, me and everyone's Kylie. Like, you're leaving the sorority. I'm like, no, I'm just moving out. Like, I'm still no, silly, she can't leave me. I'd die. Random shout out to Jamie Mack. Her little sister just made a YouTube channel. She did. It's so cute. It's so cute. Go subscribe. She's so funny and she has the best personality. And tell her that Katie and Kiara sent you. Link in description below or in the iCard. Whoa! Oh my god, most likely to vlog this plate. Jocelyn, I'm vlogging the plate. Wait, where's Taylor on? Most likely to be studying while dancing. True. Father and I love these plastic bins because they're so awesome. It's raining right now in Oregon, obviously, even though it's literally June. And you can see all of the stuff in them, which is very convenient. So that way when I'm like unpacking, I know like all my decorations are in here. So little life hack for you guys. Alright guys, this is it. The room is pretty much cleared out. Everything that's left, either people have like bought in my little accessories or it's like my bedding that I'm gonna bring home because I still have to stay here for a week. And we fit it all in the truck. There's my dad tying it all down and in my car. The only thing we couldn't fit was all my clothes. So this closet is literally full of all my clothes still. I will take all these home with me when I go home on Friday because then I can put them on the inside of my car. But right now that dresser's there, so it won't fit in there. I feel like I always have to do like a sentimental wrap up because it's really sad for me to leave these rooms. It's been a wonderful year. I've had so many memories with all my sorority sisters. We're still gonna be ridiculously close to the sorority house and I'm still gonna be hanging out here all the time. I'm really excited to give this room to one of my really good friends in my sorority. Her name is Lizzie. She's awesome. She's gonna take good care of this room. Yeah, that is it for my move out day video. I'm gonna drive home right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me some video suggestions down below of what you guys want to see this summer. I'm really excited to film for you guys. Bye.